hell? I've been so diligent, bro. So diligent. You have not been carrying one bit of their target right next to us this whole fucking time. It's been so stressful for me. What the fuck? Ah! I don't fucking need this shit! Fuck! 5 fucking years of this shit, dude. You haven't not been paying attention to him. Bullshit! Wait, what are you recording, dude? Why are you recording?
For our safety.
I'm allowed to express my emotions,
Yeah,
am I not?
well, just for our safety.
Fucking dog, bring all the way from Brownfield, bro. I chased across the city and everything. I've been so good out there. This whole phone month, bro. You wouldn't know how many kills I have. My dog. I got it.
Unbelievable.
I don't really want to talk about it. You can